Is it the right time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we will take a deep dive into Alibaba. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 12, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 4, 2024, our system has identified Alibaba as a potential sell candidate, with a score of -1.28. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -3.78%. This means that, on average, there has been a daily loss of -0.54% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a downward trend in the short term, and this trend is expected to continue. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected potential decrease of -14.23% in the next 3 months, with a return range between -20.34% and -5.88%. Looking at the next 12 months, the trend suggests a potential decrease of -20.71%, with a return range between -23.66% and 6.23%. This means the price could range from $54.84 to $76.32 after a year. Today, we have an update on Alibaba. The headline reads, "Red Day on Friday for Alibaba." On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 12, 2024, the stock price of Alibaba dropped by 0.746%, going from $72.38 to $71.84. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.26%, reaching a low of $71.81 and a high of $73.43. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a decline of 6.99%. Interestingly, the volume of shares traded also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign since the volume should follow the stock. Specifically, there was a decrease of 1 million shares traded, and a total of 16 million shares were bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.14 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we find that the highest price for Alibaba's stock was $121.30, while the lowest price was $70.09. Currently, the stock is 40.77%, or $49.46, below the 52-week high, and 77.5%, or $247.48, below the all-time high, which was reached on October 27, 2020, when the price reached $319.32. Analyst Ratings. Truist Financial recently gave Alibaba a grade of underperform, with a corresponding action of hold on Friday, January 12, 2024. UBS also issued a grade of buy with a corresponding action of hold for Alibaba on the same day, January 12, 2024. On Friday, December 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley assigned Alibaba a grade of buy with a corresponding action of downgrade. Mizuho Securities recently gave Alibaba a grade of buy with a corresponding action of hold on Friday, November 17, 2023. Additionally, Morgan Stanley rated Alibaba as overweight with a corresponding action of hold on the same day, November 17, 2023. Analysts have given Alibaba stock a general buy rating. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Here are the signals identified for Alibaba. A buy signal was issued on Monday, December 11, 2023, when the stock reached a pivot bottom point. Since then, it has risen by 0.659%. It is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the short-term development of the stock. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for Alibaba. Moreover, the relation between the two signals indicates a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. Resistance can be expected at $72.60 and $74.24, but if the stock breaks above these levels, it will issue buy signals. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. The decrease in volume along with the price during the last trading day reduces the overall risk, as volume should align with price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 10 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a sell 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 88 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 75 days ago. If you want to find more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. Alibaba's support level is at $71.49, which means that this price point may present a buying opportunity. When the support is tested, we can expect an upward reaction in the stock's price. In terms of risk, Alibaba has average movements during the day and a good trading volume, which places the risk level at medium. Looking at the stock's performance, it has moved $1.62 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 2.26% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.03%. Before we get into discussing the potential good trading levels for Alibaba, let's take a moment to cover some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could suggest a lower expectation for the company's future performance or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.86. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze the potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba is at $72.38. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering entering a position. However, if you already hold shares, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the other hand, if Alibaba faces a downward movement, its first support level is at $71.49. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a good entry point for traders, as there might be a rebound in the stock's price. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Alibaba currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a downward trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Our evaluation of this stock remains negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Alibaba is undervalued. When trading resumes on Tuesday, January 16th, we expect Alibaba to open with an increase of $0.520, starting at a price of $72.36. Before we get started, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept personal responsibility for your investment decisions. We would love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please leave a comment below and share your perspective. Additionally, we are curious to know what your target for the stock is. It's always fascinating to hear different viewpoints from our community. If you find our content valuable, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We genuinely hope that you achieve success in your trading endeavors. Have a fantastic day, and best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.